everybody, EpicElder here, and today I am here with a new video. So if you watched the recent video, which is the EpicElder Q&A video, you would have seen a question that I didn't really answer fully, which was like, can you show like my editing skills and stuff? I said that I was just gonna show them in that video, and just like show what I use, and showing how I do it would have taken a long time, and well, yeah. So today, hey, this is gonna be the video where I show you how I make my videos. So as you can see in front of you, these are the apps that I use for my videos. Now I just want to say, hey, this is probably the most inefficient way possible to make a video, but it works for me. So yeah, I guess. Also, if you can, in the background, if you can hear a fan, like just blowing, yeah, I just have that turned on to keep me cool, because, well, I'm in my garage recording this, so I don't have any distractions. So yeah, so let's get into it. Yeah, so what I'm using right now is Record It, and basically with this I can record my screen by just a click of that button, which basically like I just have to like press the recording thing, and yeah. So right now I'm recording my screen, and I already have a demo video just to show you guys how I do these videos. So this is my demo video. Yeah, that's my video. So I solely just recorded this so I can use it as an example for this video. So let me show you some things. Okay, so yeah, just don't mind any of this. Okay, so in this app, what was it? Video Leap. So in Video Leap, you can put like images over videos. So yeah, and also they work as well. And for some reason, okay, so I'm just gonna tell you. So I was able to do this, but for some reason now, like for some reason, I'm not able to like make a video, edit a video over 1 minute and 30 seconds. Like, even though I was able to do that before. So for that, you would have to get the Pro thing, the Video Leap Pro, to be able to have full access to this app. And also you can reverse a few things, like this video right here. Yeah, see, so now it's reversed. Yeah. So anyway, so yeah. So after I edit, you can also split them. So if you want a full explanation on this app, just search it up on YouTube. I don't think I can explain it as well as other people could. So once you press save, then it gets saved into your to your camera roll, and the next thing I use is when I want to add sound effects. I use iMovie, because apparently in Video Leap I can't really do that. Like, I already have a few things like preset made. Well, what am I talking about? So I have some audios in my files that I can use, but for some reason I can't do it on Video Leap. So I use iMovie to put the audio. So I'm just gonna find a random one. So from files, you can like choose the things that you use for your files. So yeah, that's that. And you can move it around and stuff. Yeah, pretty great. Yeah. And also you can split things here as well. And also there's like different transitions here. Yeah. But anyway, and also here you can add photos to the videos, except here except here like it just instead like puts it here. Like I can't really put it over. Maybe I can, I don't know. Wait. Does this work? Okay. Yeah, no, I don't think it works. So you can't put any like photos or videos like over it, like you can in Video Leap. But I just mostly use this for sound effects and stuff. And then to save it, you just go here and just press that right there, and then save video. I already have the video. It's not really worth saving. And so that's pretty much with those. So now Ibis Paint. So there's really nothing to do with the video here. Like I just do this for like the thumbnail. Yeah, you can like draw on it. Whenever I want to draw pictures on my iPad, which is pretty much my hobby, other than YouTube. Like I just like to draw things. You can get different colors, and also you can fill things with the bucket tool. I just mostly use this for my so yeah, I just mostly use this for like the thumbnails and stuff. So yeah, that's the tutorial on how I make my videos, and you can do the same thing. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.